India's economic growth heavily depends on the success of its micro, small, and medium enterprises in manufacturing and exporting goods. While smaller cities offer cost advantages for setting up businesses, these benefits are often negated by poor connectivity, which hinders the export capabilities. India's logistics heavily rely on road transport, that is 60%, which is more expensive than rail, that is 26%, and waterways. The government has improved infrastructure, but cargo trains still share lines with passenger trains, causing delays. The question stands, how far is this aimed at? In today's video, we will first examine the real-world applications of the scenario as to which financial or economic theory closely aligns to our case and why. Then, we will explore how improved connectivity impacts the competitive positioning of MSMEs in the global market. So, hi everybody. MSME is the second largest employment generating sector after the agriculture sector. MSMEs created 120 million jobs across all industries in India. Micro and small enterprises play an important role in the economy because of it, and 33% account for India's GDP. Medium-sized enterprises make up only 1% of the total MSMEs. Small enterprises constitute about 4.5% of the total MSMEs. Micro enterprises dominate the MSME sector, comprising over 90% of the total MSMEs. India's growth is linked to how well MSMEs spend across the country can make and export. While smaller cities do offer several cost benefits when it comes to setting up a business, connectivity issues overshadow these gains when it comes to export. This scenario is related to which economic theory and how? The answer is New Economic Geography. New Economic Geography is a theory developed by economists Paul Krugman and Anthony Van Bulls in the late 20th century. It seeks to explain the spatial distribution of economic activity and the concentration of industries in certain regions. New economic geography suggests that industries tend to cluster together in specific regions due to agglomeration effects such as economies of scale, labor market pooling, and knowledge spillover. Y'all must be wondering why this theory fits with the case we are discussing. This is because the scenario highlights how poor connectivity and infrastructure in certain regions hinder their ability to benefit from agglomeration effect and compete effectively. These regions may struggle to attract businesses and investment due to high logistic cost and limited access to market, which is exactly explained by the developed theory. Therefore, it serves as an example that can be analyzed through the lens of New Economic Geography theory. Moving ahead, a question based on competitive advantage would be, how does connectivity impact the competitive positioning of MSMEs in the global market? Connectivity plays a crucial role in shaping the competitive positioning of MSMEs in the global market by influencing their access to resources, markets, and information. This impact can be analyzed through the lens of various financial theories as in, number 1 is resource-based view. Connectivity enhances the resource base of MSMEs by providing access to a broader pool of suppliers, customers, and talent. For example, an MSME in the software development sector located in a city with a robust internet infrastructure can tap into global talent pools for specialized skills, giving it a competitive edge in innovation and product development. Number 2 is transaction cost economics. Connectivity reduces transaction cost associated with conducting business across geographical boundaries. For instance, improved digital connectivity enables MSME to engage in online transactions, reducing the need for costly intermediaries and streamlining supply chain operations. This allows them to offer competitive pricing and improve efficiency in the global market. Number 3 is market-based view. Connectivity enables MSME to expand their market reach and penetrate new markets more effectively. For example, an e-commerce MSME with efficient logistics and digital connectivity can target international customers, leveraging platforms like Amazon to access global market and compete with larger firms. Number 4 is Porter's Diamond Model. Connectivity enhances the competitiveness of MSMEs by improving the quality and availability of supporting industries, infrastructure, and human resources. For instance, an MSME in the manufacturing sector located in a region with reliable transportation and communication networks can access raw materials, skilled labor, and distribution channels more efficiently, enhancing its competitiveness in global market. Number 5 is dynamic capabilities theory. Connectivity fosters the development of dynamic capabilities that enables the MSME to adapt to changing market conditions and technological advancement. For example, an MSME in the fintech sector leveraging digital connectivity can rapidly innovate and deploy new financial products and services, responding to evolving customer needs and staying ahead of competitors. And number 6 is market efficiency theory. Connectivity improves market efficiency by facilitating information dissemination and reducing information asymmetry. For example, an MSME in the agriculture sector accessing real-time market data and weather forecasts through digital platform can make informed decisions about crop cultivation and pricing strategies, enhancing its competitiveness in the global agriculture market. In conclusion, as we navigate the complexities of transport networks, embracing innovation becomes imperative. Whether it's leveraging emerging technologies for supply chain optimization or championing sustainable transportation solutions, embracing innovation enables us to stay ahead of the curve and drive positive change in our industries. Secondly, when it comes to transport network, rail transport is inherently more environmentally sustainable compared to road transport for aligning connectivity, as it produces fewer emissions per ton of cargo transported. By promoting rail transport, India can reduce its carbon footprint and contribute to global efforts to combat climate change, while also aligning with the sustainability goals of many international markets.
Hope you liked the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you're new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.